Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to group and copy multiple elements together in Canva. This is a handy trick for moving or duplicating parts of your designs without disturbing their layout. Now let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, for example, we have a text element and we will add some more elements, like shapes. Add the shapes. Then we will add other elements, like graphics. Here, let's add these graphics, and we will add other elements, like animations. As you can see here, there is a group of elements, and we want them to be grouped. All we have to do is highlight the elements, and we will see the group option. Now, as you can see, these elements are now grouped. Now, if we move this, it will move as one. If we copy and paste, it will be pasted as a group, as you can see. It is so easy and simple to do this on Canva. That is how we can group and copy multiple elements together in Canva. With this technique, we can save time and keep our designs perfectly aligned.